Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Bazinga Classic Plus by ICCON. This is a stereo headset meant for kids, and they wish to state that quite clearly on the front. They are marking it as safe for children and that it's been approved by mothers. So on the front side of the packaging, you see a massive infographic where you can see the headset being used for different applications in different manner. Over here is the branding of the company that owns the device, and this is the model number. This is the KH-01. On the side, you have much more salient features or facts that they'd like to state, namely that this thing has a sound pressure level of 85 decibels. It's rated safe for kids, and that it has a sturdy tangle-free cable. There's also some amount of padding on the ear cups. Nothing on the top. On the bottom, you have the Bazinga branding again. And on this side, you have the main branding of the company, or rather the manufacturer. On the back side, you have some mention of the warranty period. Again, you should check the Amazon listing page for details regarding the warranty. You can see what the device actually looks like. And here are the same features that we've seen on the sides. There are two things that we have not seen thus far, namely that this thing happens to be lightweight and it's compatible with multiple devices. Over here, you can see what color of the headphones you're actually going to be getting within the packaging. Ours is blue. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. So you have a little note regarding the device. It gives a couple of information and asks you to sort of charge the device to 100% before you use it for the very first time. There's also a note of thanks in the documentation. Then you have the cabling along with the headset. Here's the headset. So they mentioned that it has got foam padded ear cups. There's also a little fabric covering on the driver mesh. This thing pivots quite a lot. And there's an additional level of pivot over here at the juncture where it connects to the headband. So it's not only pivoting over here, but it's also pivoting over here. So this allows it to be used for smaller heads, you could say. The headband is not adjustable over here, but it's over here. So you can pull this part out or push this part in and adjust the headbands. Again, the same happens over here. And you can get it to fit to a much bigger head. Then you have the cabling. It's got a soft rubber coating and this inline controls. Just one button. So this is what you'd use for accepting or cutting calls or for playing or pausing playback. Then the connector happens to be DRRS. There's also some golden tint to it, so might be gold plated to a certain extent. And there are no additional controls anywhere else. The headband also has the same fabric coating as you see on the inside of the ear cups. Lastly, the cable length is about 1.2 meters or so. So that's it for the unboxing of the Bazinga Classic Plus or KH-01 headphones from ICCON. Thank you for watching.